My name is Sandeep Mannava. I'm an orthopedic sports medicine operative surgeon specializing in knee arthroscopy, shoulder arthroscopy, and complex shoulder surgery. I really like orthopedic sports medicine, one, because I'm a sports fan, but two, it's really neat to see people who are active who might have a little setback and then be able to kind of work with them and develop a strategy, not just a surgical strategy, but also a physical therapy and a non operative strategy to maximize their outcomes and help them return to high levels of function. I think the best part of what I do is getting to meet patients, get to know their families, get to know their goals, and then ultimately seeing them succeed in whatever goals that they set out for themselves. The one thing I want patients to know is how much time and effort we put into each and everyone's care. I believe at the University of Rochester Medical Center, we truly have the best world class care with our new facilities and our ability to educate, to care for patients, as well as perform the top cutting edge research. We're really providing our patients with the best care that they can receive anywhere in the world. I think something that makes us really exceptional is we tend to take care of the hardest of the hard. So we tend to get patients that were sent to us by other providers, other doctors that feel that they're best served under our care. So we're not afraid to take on a complicated or difficult patient and do what we think is best to help them get the best result possible. I want all my patients to know how much I really care. I really want them to know that I take their trust in me very seriously, and I'll do whatever it takes in order for them to get the best result possible.